Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make papaya soap at home using a glycerine soap base, fresh papaya, vitamin E oil and essential oil. This soap helps brighten the skin, fade dark spots and gives your skin that smooth glowing look, all with simple natural recipe. If you want to see how I made this soap, keep watching. The first thing to do here is to start measuring out the glycerine soap base for this recipe. Here I have glycerine soap base and I'm measuring out 350 grams of glycerine soap base. This glycerine soap base is very easy to make, and the video for how to make this glycerine soap base is right in my channel, so check out the video. Is not too far from this one. Check out the video from my channel and watch how to make this glycerin soap base before you get set for this particular recipe. So here is 350 grams of glycerin soap base. I just measured it out and I'm going to get to the next process. And this soap can be made with any soap base of your choice, be it goat milk soap base or any other soap base. So the next thing is to start cutting the glycerine soap base into smaller cubes. And the reason to cut it into smaller cubes is to allow it to melt faster and evenly. So if you cut it into smaller pieces, it will help it to melt very fast and evenly. After cutting it, the next thing is to get a heat resistant bowl like the one I have here and put all of the pieces into the bowl. After putting it into the bowl, the next thing is to melt the soup, and you're going to melt them using a double boiler method. You can also use a microwave to heat the soup to melt it. If you're gonna use a microwave, you have to heat for like 30 seconds. After heating for like 30 seconds, you bring it out and stir it until it's fully melted. But this right here is what I mean by double boiling method, where you have to place the bowl in a pot of boiling water to melt the soup. As the soap is melting, the next thing is to prep for other ingredients. What I have here is papaya or pawpaw, as we fondly called here. So I have some pawpaw I cut from the pawpaw I cut for this recipe. So here I'm going to use some pieces cut into a blender and blend it into a puree. Guys, if you have watched to this point and you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Clara, and in this channel I make DIY videos for businesses and for personal use. If you love what I am doing here, please, I would love you to hit that subscribe button before you turn on your notification bell for other beneficial videos. Of course you will love being here because this channel brings value to you. So here our soap is fully melted. You can see the glycerin soap base is fully melted into a liquid form. The next thing is to start adding other ingredients, and what I have here is the papaya I blended into puree. I'm going to pour some of it into the soap. After pouring, I'm going to stir in to mixing properly. Papaya contains vitamin C and other good nutrients which helps exfoliate, rejuvenate and brighten the skin. Papaya helps to glow the skin naturally. And this is the reason papaya is a high commodity for the skincare industry. So the next thing I have here is vitamin E capsule. I'm going to be adding 2 capsules of vitamin E. You can also use vitamin E oil to add into this mixture, but I'm using vitamin E capsule, and you can get vitamin E from a pharmaceutical shop or a skincare shop. So here I'm going to use a pin, a well sterilized pin, to perforate the capsule to add the oil in it into this mixture. Vitamin E adds moisture to the skin and also helps in glowing the skin naturally. So vitamin E is a necessity in our skincare routine because it adds more beauty to our skin. So yeah, the next one I have here is essential oil. I'm going to be dropping some drops of essential oil into this mixture. Essential oil helps to tackle some skin challenges. So I will be adding it and also mixing properly for everything to combine. And after mixing, we are done making the soap. The next thing is to get the mold and start pouring in the soap. So after pouring the soap into the mold, we are going to be allowing the soap to cure properly for like 24 hours. So guys, stay tuned. After 24 hours, I'm going to come on here and show you guys what this soap looks like. So guys, here is the soap after 24 hours. So we're going to be unmolding the soap. You can see from the video the soap is totally hard and strong now. It's no longer watery, it has gotten to a solid form. So we are going to be unmolding it right away. Guys, you can see our beautiful papaya soap, homemade DIY papaya soap. This soap, you can see, is very easy to make, and the most amazing thing is that this soap lathers so well. It has a very creamy, refreshing lather. So yeah, this is how you can make papaya glowing soap at home in just few minutes with ingredients you can find around you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other natural skincare tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next DIY video. Bye guys.